actually here at PopSockets. Can you see the sign? We are actually here at the PopSockets Headquarters. So we're actually gonna go inside and make our own PopSockets grip. I'm so excited. There's just so many. I mean, this is ridiculous, right? In a good way. I have a lot of these styles. Nope. Nope.
Alright, the banana, just so you know, I think probably some of the better subtle ones, like the banana leaves one is really popular. Okay. And then real leopard.
Hi, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So look at this, okay? So if you work here, you can take one, right? Like, I mean, it's almost like cookies. Like when I saw this, I was like, this looks like cookies. And you're just like, oh, today I'm looking for lunch, I'm gonna have this leopard one. Just reminds me of a tray of cookies. So look, you can choose the accordion colors and everything. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. There's so many accordion colors. Yeah. So let's pick one for one of you guys. What should I choose? Something cool from this tray. What about the cherries? It's kind of cool, right? You like that one?
There was another lightning one here yesterday. Ooh, the pink tiger.
Yeah, the pink tiger is pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, do that one.
Okay. So should I?
What's that all pink one?
The leopard one?
This right there. Is that a leopard print?
This one?
Yeah.
But I wanna maybe change the accordion in the base. I am going to be giving away 2 PopSockets in this video. All you have to do is comment below which one you like better, the tiger or the leopard. Also stay tuned because I create my own PopSockets in the factory in a minute, and I will be giving those away in one of my next videos. So don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss out. Look at that. That'd be cool, right? What about this one? Or should it have a red base? Like this. Red. Like that. Or should it be red and pink?
I like red. Do red.
Okay. And then what about this one? How about that? No, because it's not as purple. Wait, what about this? We're like, what about this? What about this? Oh no, that's blue.
What about a green?
Green? Green?
Green and pink? That's pretty.
How about turquoise? This. That. Do you guys have more options all of a sudden? Or were these always available?
No, these, you mean colors of
Yeah.
accordions? No, those are all older versions.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. So I was like, wow, I don't have some of these colors.
So let's see the color combos.
Well, I just did red, because I think that's kind of cool looking. And then, well, this isn't exactly a good combination, but I liked the blue. I thought that would look kind of cool. Santa Claus is here. Who wants PopSockets for Christmas? Hanukkah. Wait, Santa's not Hanukkah. Oh my god. Look at all these things. Woo! By the way, I really did get to hold some really ginormous PopSockets, and it was so much fun. So what you saw in my thumbnail really was real. Okay guys, this is super exciting. Look at what we have here. Well, first of all, I already showed you, these big bags of PopSockets, and we're going to see how they're printed. It's exciting or what? Don't make me laugh. So it's going right now?
Yeah, it takes a second to send.
Okay. Oh my god, it's going in there. Excited. I hear it doing something. Is it like going over it right now?
There's like 16 times.
Oh really? So it's going over it like this, and like as a printer would do, like that. I mean, it is.
Yeah.
So it does take a while, huh? You're like waiting.
It's like 15 minutes.
This cost the both of us. We risked it all. We gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are.
They look so cute. Oh my god. And then how do you get them out of there? You just pick them up?
Sometimes I laugh the ways you make me lose my mind. You're all I have.
Look at
It's
that.
like I'm wasting time.
Aw, this is so cute.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do?